Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
I smell it.
Yeah. Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
I smell it. Come on. Come on.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Yeah. Finally, the rock has come back, laying down the smack on you monkey crap candy-coated acts. Enter the squared circle with the great one, the most electrifying moves. Don't touch the station. Children and their children, they all chant with the millions upon millions of rock fans. Get ready for the square dance. Here's your chance for a can of ass whooping from the people's champ. If you smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Jabroni, check yourself, you don't know me. Jabroni, go back to the gym, you're too bony. So you want a piece of the rock, make it crumble. In these WrestleManias, kid, we Royal Rumble. Telling us that raw is war. What the hell you think we came for? To play with these whips and chainsaws and sharp glass? I shine them up real nice, turn them sideways, and shove them up your candy ass. If you smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Yeah, this is it, y'all. Summer Slam, son of Sam Bow. It's Thursday night SmackDown, there's no way out. Now you got a problem with the Brahma Bull. Time to fill the rock bottom. Ain't no way to stop him. See the people's eyebrow, ignite the crowd into a fitting frenzy. They want blood now. Chin lock and chair shots, suplexes, leg drop. Finish with the people's elbow and sonic rock. You can smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. You can smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
You can smell what the rock's cooking. You can smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking? Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
You can smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking? 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 Do you smell what the rock is cooking?